Hi sis, I know na this is a very special day for you, and though hindi ko siya everyday, I don't seldom say this to you nung nandyan ako. I would like to take this opportunity to say na I am so blessed to be one of your friends. I know you, I know how sincere you are. I know how it is na maging friend ka through thick and thin, because we've been gone through a lot. And I am really happy for you. At this time in your life, you have accomplished a lot of things. And you have kids to be proud of. Kaya I have three wishes for you on your birthday. My first wish is for you to have good health. Alam ko masyado ka ng stress sa maraming bagay. But I hope na sa mga susunod pang mga araw, may God keep you away from all sickness. My second wish is to have happiness in life, peace of mind, and yun. And for my third wish, I hope na next year kasama kita to celebrate your birthday. I love you, sis, and wala man sipaw dito, nasa trabaho. From the bottom of our heart, from the bottom of my heart, I love you, sis, and I miss you. Happy birthday.